Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Happy Independence Day to all my US friends. I thought it would be fun to make a patriotic beach card. I'll be using the Beach Vibes 6x6 paper pad and also the Seashells stamp and coordinating honeycut die set. I love the beautiful detail on all the different shell stamps on the set. I selected this white and gray wavy paper for the background, and I'll be layering it on some blue cardstock. And just for a little extra interest, I didn't layer it perfectly even. So I have a little more cardstock on the top and on the sides, and then a very narrow border at the very bottom. Put my card front onto a card base, and this is an American Standard A2 size card, 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. I've already stamped and cut out 5 of the images. I used some solid cardstock in red, blue, and also some teal. Now I'll start attaching all of my shells and the starfish to my card. I'll have 3 of them in the front and 2 of the shells in the background. For the 2 shells in the background, I'll glue those down directly using some liquid adhesive. And this is Honeybee Stamp's Precision Tip Glue. For the shells and the starfish in the front, I will be popping those up with some foam dimension. And I'm using Honeybee Stamp's thin foam strips in white. They also sell them in black. I'll remove the release paper and adhere those 3 shells in the very front. The teal will overlap slightly on top of the red, and I'll put liquid adhesive there. And for the starfish, one of its arms will sit on top of the teal shell, so that's the only place I won't add foam dimension. For this sentiment, I've already stamped this out. You are like a seashell, unique and completely amazing. I used the coordinating honeycut die and also cut out a second piece from some blue iridescent cardstock. Put some double-sided tape on the back of the sentiment and also a little bit of liquid adhesive. Then when I adhere the 2 pieces together, I have this beautiful iridescent drop shadow. And using both the liquid adhesive and the double-sided tape will make sure that sentiment stays in place on that iridescent finished cardstock. Next, I'll add some of the foam dimensional strips on the back side. If you've never used these strips before, they are super sticky. Sometimes they get stuck to my hand. I am cutting some tiny little pieces so I have good coverage on the back. Then I'll remove the release paper and adhere it in the upper right-hand corner. I love all the sentiments included on the new Seashell stamp set. For a final finishing touch, I'll add some gem stickers in white. This is from Honeybee Stamp's Back to Basic Gem Sticker Set. I love that they have the 3 different sizes. I'll add 3 of them in the upper right hand corner around the sentiment and 2 to the left of some of the seashells. So there is my finished card, and I did make 2 using this design. It's a very simple card design, but I couldn't resist the fun patriotic colors. If you love to color images, this is a great set. But with all that beautiful detail, it also works great on solid cardstock or pattern paper. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.